For a long time, Samsung has offered its top-end Galaxy S series phones in two chip variants. Sometimes, the Exynos-powered units are available everywhere except for the US, while sometimes the units powered by Qualcomm's Snapdragon processors have made it to markets such as India. There was no way to tell which variant would arrive where, but the US never had to see Exynos variants. That might change next year. A new leak has suggested Samsung is planning to use an Exynos system on chip across the entire Galaxy S25 lineup, meaning no Snapdragon variant. Now, Qualcomm's Snapdragon 8 Gen 4 mobile platform is expected to arrive in October this year. This is the successor to the Snapdragon 8 Gen 3, which powers some of the most popular flagship phones of 2023, such as the Samsung Galaxy S24 Ultra, the OnePlus 12, and the Asus ROG Phone 8 Pro. The Snapdragon 8 Gen 4 is rumored to be the first mobile platform to use TSMC's 3nm process, also used by Apple's A17 Pro chipsets. This means that the Snapdragon 8 Gen 4 could offer a significant boost in performance and efficiency compared to the previous generation. According to Twitter subscribers, a Geekbench 6 benchmark test resulted in a single-core score of 2845 and an impressive multi-core score of 10628. But that's not all. The Snapdragon 8 Gen 4 is also said to feature Qualcomm's custom Oryon CPU, which was unveiled in 2022 for Snapdragon platforms. The Oryon CPU is based on the ARMv9 architecture, which introduces new features such as enhanced security, machine learning, and digital signal processing. The Oryon CPU is expected to have 4 high-performance cores and 4 high-efficiency cores, similar to the Snapdragon 8 Gen 3, but with higher clock speeds and improved IPC. The Oryon CPU could also support up to 16 GB of RAM and UFS 3.1 storage. As for the graphics, the Snapdragon 8 Gen 4 is likely to have an upgraded Adreno GPU, which could support up to 120Hz refresh rate at QEHD plus resolution, HDR10+ playback, and ray tracing. The Snapdragon 8 Gen 4 could also have a new Spectra ISP, enabling up to 200-megapixel camera resolution, 8K video recording, and advanced computational photography features. And of course, we can't forget about the connectivity. The Snapdragon 8 Gen 4 is equipped with the 4th Gen Snapdragon X65 5G modem RF system, which is the world's first 5G modem RF solution to reach 10 gigabit download speeds. The Snapdragon X65 supports both sub-6 GHz and wave bands, as well as global 5G multi-SIM, dynamic spectrum sharing, and carrier aggregation. The Snapdragon 8 Gen 4 also supports Wi-Fi 6E, Bluetooth 5.2, NFC, and GPS. According to a tipster on Twitter, the Galaxy S25 series will run on Exynos chips in all markets without any Snapdragon variants. This means that the Galaxy S25 series will use the Exynos 2500 SoC. The Exynos 2500 SoC is also based on the 3nm and could have similar performance and efficiency to the Snapdragon 8 Gen 4. But why would Samsung use Exynos chips for the entire Galaxy S25 series? Well, there are a few possible reasons. One is that Samsung wants to differentiate the Galaxy S series from the Galaxy Z series, which are the foldable phones that Samsung is focusing on as its premium offerings. The Galaxy Z series could use Snapdragon chips exclusively to offer the best performance and compatibility. Another reason is that Samsung wants to showcase its own Exynos chips, which have improved a lot over the years, and reduce its dependence on Qualcomm. A third reason is that Samsung has a multi-year contract with Qualcomm, which could limit the number of Snapdragon chips that Samsung can use for its phones. However, this rumor is not confirmed, and there is still a chance that Samsung could use Snapdragon chips for some markets, especially the US, where Qualcomm has a strong presence and influence. We will have to wait and see what Samsung decides to do with the Galaxy S25 series. Thank you for watching, and don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more tech news and reviews. See you next time.